Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on when or where you're listening to this call from. Once again, this is Pip Silverpass here with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be going over bull flags, which is a simple yet effective price action pattern where you guys can capitalize and take advantage of some good movement in the market. So without any further ado, we're going to jump into bull flags here. Now, below we do have a little diagram show you guys what the actual bull flags look like. Once again, this is a simple yet effective strategy to capitalize on some good movement or some big pips. Now, what are bullish flags? Bullish flags are going to be a formation that's going to be found in stocks or currencies. They're going to be found in a uptrend, and they're called bull flags because the pattern resembles a flag on a pole. Now, the pole is the result of a vertical rise in the index, the currency on the stock, and the flag results from periods of consolidation, as you can see here. So we do have our flag pole, and then we have our consolidation within the channel, and then we have our continuation. So the bull flag is going to be a good sign or a good signal, indication that we're going to have a continuation in the market, so you guys can actually take advantage of that flag or that signal. Once again, bull flags we do have here. We're gonna have a checklist for you guys. Gonna walk you through step one, or A, B to C, and making you guys a little bit more of a profitable trader, or have a little bit more understanding of entries and exits and how to capitalize on this pattern. Now, the bull flag, the bull flag. We're gonna have a checklist here. It is a continuation pattern. It's typically, you want to have a high volume rally followed by some consolidation periods, as explained before. So if we look at this example here, we do have our rally here. Also does have a good amount of volume, or a high volume spike, signaling the confirmation of the rally. After that, the next step is we do want to have a clear price channel form, or the consolidation, which we have here. And this is a limited entry opportunity, so we want to get our entry in, preferably down here at the low point of the consolidation. So we had price shoot up, we had price come back down. It tested this actual support line here, bounced off, came back up and tested this resistance, came back down, and this would be your primary entry point. It's going to be more of an aggressive entry, but it's going to be a great spot to take advantage of this actual continuation. Now, you do want to place your stop orders below the bottom of the consolidation pattern. So after we have um, this actual support line here formed, we want to actually put us a stop, probably a few pips beneath that. And we do also have a EMA. I'll go in more detail here. A dynamic EMA that gives you guys a little bit more confluence, or a little bit more. You have a little bit more of a guide for your trade. Now, as far as profit targets, should be at least a 2-to-1 risk ratio, so a risk to reward ratio. So if you're risking 25 cents, then the first take profit is going to be 50 cents from your entry price. And in these next few slides, we'll go a little bit more in detail. I do love trading bull flags or bearish flags due to the high rate of consistency, or the trade going into my favor. A lot of people will show you these bull flags, but they won't inform you about the volume sectors. On our first video, we did go over some entry level volume trading or volume indications. So you guys feel free to take that video out. It will be posted on YouTube and also in our Patreon. Now, let's see here. We'll get over to the next slide here. And we're also going to go take some look at some live charts here in a few moments. But as far as targets, your first target will be the size of your flag. So it's going to be this flag here. We usually do a measured move, and we'll take the first target here, about the size of the flag. The continuation of the second target is going to be usually the size of the pole. So what you would do is you'll take your tools and measure out the size of the pole and the size of the flag. A little bit more conservative of a target will be the actual flag. A little bit more of a riskier or higher yielding target will be the size of the pole. What I usually do is I twin trade, or I'll take some profit here and let it continue the rest ride or continue till I get to target 2, moving my stop loss up to the break even level. Okay, that's a good time. We'll go ahead and we'll jump into some live charts here. Give you guys a quick example. I want to make this video a little bit more short and sweet and get to the meat of the bear flags. Now, I did notice here, looking through here, we do have a good example on Euro USD. We do have an impulse move up, breaking some resistance. We got to a certain level, and now price is consolidating. We did have the volume indications, or the spike in volume, followed by consolidation with the decreasing volume. So now we're just waiting for this breakout move. We can actually get ready to enter in here for a long order or a buy purchase. And once again, we're going to have 2 targets. We'll have one that's going to be the amount of the actual flag, which is looking right about 30 pips. And then the second one would be anywhere, I said right about around 60 pips, so double that actual amount. Let's see, I think I do have a target set here at 121.53. But once again, I am going to be monitoring this trade. It's been a long day, excuse my pronunciation, but I will be monitoring this trade. So, just based on what I see, price action, if I get any type of other patterns, any type of candlestick patterns, then, I'll adjust the trade accordingly. But I did want to just kind of jump in here and go over some bull flags with you guys. We will have more content dropping shortly. Pretty much every day we'll do some market reviews, some more trading techniques to just allow you guys to extract more pips from the market and join us on this trading journey. Let's see what else we have here. I did also want to go over a couple of investment goals with you guys. Trading is 90% mental, 10% technical. So you guys do need to dive in on your psychology of trading. This is an investment, an actual investment opportunity, and not a get rich quick scheme. So you do want to take this as an investment, which is going to actually require, for lack of a better word, planning. You're going to have some planning. You're going to have to look at your initial investment. It's also going to be communication on. So, you want to talk yourself through the trades. If you have any trading buddies, you want to kind of let your goals be known to those guys and your trading partners and kind of go back and forth. You also, what is vital is to have a trading plan. We will go in detail more on what I use as my actual trading plan and trading journal, and you guys can kind of get a rough draft or underlining understanding of how to map out some of your investment goals and some of your actual goals for trading in general. Secondly, here we have, we want to continue and reach goals or milestones. So after we kind of get this process going and we get us a layout for our trading journey or our trading goals, then we want to go into, our second milestone. For me, that'll be a second investment. So, you want to have multiple accounts. I also want to start, getting the ROIs for my trading. Kind of put in the bank, put in the bag, and see if I want to go about compounding and things of that sort, which we'll actually dive in and give you guys a little bit more understanding on exactly what is compounding and some of the investment goals and preparation you can have for your trading career. Now, I do want to take this time here. Like I said, I'll make this a short video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me. You can get in contact with me at kingvisionsforex@gmail.com. You can also reach out to us on the Telegram channel, also our YouTube or our Patreon. If you guys have any requests, feel free to inbox us. We can go over anything in detail. I'm not the only trader here at King Visions. We do have a lot of guys with tons of experience and also 5 and 6 figure traders currently. So there's a pool of resources here for you guys. Feel free to reach out if there's anything we can do to help you. I appreciate your time once again. This has been Pips Overpass with King Visions Forex. Thank you guys, and you have a great day.